Hello friends, my name is Radha Masood. Today we'll discuss about a topic that what is online earning. Is it true that any person can be sitting at home and he can earn money online? Today we'll see this topic in detail. So let's start. First of all, I would request to please subscribe to my channel and click on the bell option as well so that now my new videos can reach to you. So let's start, friend. First of all, friend, online earning nowadays is a true. It's true that you can earn through different websites or different mediums, like for example, Facebook, YouTube, iWriter, blog postings, etc. So there are lots of mediums nowadays available through you can earn online, and you just need a laptop, internet connection, and just need a time to put the content on different sites, and you can earn online. Now basically how you can earn online, the method or the concept of online earning is that you just post your content on the, for example, you post your content on the youtube.com. You post videos, for example. Now when you are posting the videos on YouTube, the different brands, like bigger brands, they run their advertisements on your videos, and from running the videos, advertisements on your videos, YouTube gets some money and you will also get some money. For example, let's assume that whenever advertise run on your video which you have posted on the YouTube, for example, the 80% money you will get it, and 20% money the YouTube will get. So in that way, whenever the advertisements are running on your videos, you will be running you will be getting the earning from the advertisements. So in that way, you can get the money online, either through YouTube, either through blog postings, either through any article writing. So in that way you can earn online. Any other nowadays many Facebook groups are also available on which you can just post and you can get the online work. For example, article writing is a very nowadays, freelance writing nowadays available. For example, many websites are there, for example, fiverr.com, freelancer.com, peopleperhour.com. So there are so many websites are nowadays available on which you can work online, freelance, and you can earn money and just sitting at home. So first of all, friend, the very big concept is that the consistency is the most important concept in the online earning. This is not true that you can get, for example, you just post any video on youtube.com and it get viral and you will become millionaire in a day. Friend, in some cases, very exceptional cases, this is true. Sometime it happens, but in 99% cases, if you want to earn online, you should have to be consistent. Consistent means that on daily basis you have to post content on YouTube, Facebook, or any other website. For example, if you are working online on Fiverr or like for example freelancer, so you have to work on daily basis. So this is the most important or key concept in the online earning. Now friend, for this is another point is that whatever you are working, either freelancing or either you are content writer or either you are blogger or blogger, the most important thing, friend, that first of all you have to be consistent. Second, whatever the work you have interest, for example, you are interesting to make videos as a vlogger. For example, you have interest to visit different sites of your country and make a video, for example. So if you have interest such like that, so you have to be a vlogger. If you don't have any such interest, so don't go for that, because see what happened that if you are doing something in which you don't have the interest, so after 2 months or 3 months you will get irritated and you will definitely left that particular type of job. Different mediums nowadays available, like youtube.com. It is a very big medium nowadays available to earn money online. You just have to make a channel on YouTube and just start posting the content or videos, and you can earn. iWriter is a blog posting or content writing site. You just have to make an account on iWriter and pass the in English test, and then you can write it, start writing for different customers. Blog posting, article writing, Facebook, Fiverr, freelancer.com, the peopleperhour.com. So there are so many mediums are nowadays available through which you can just sit at home. But sitting at home doesn't means that you are sitting idle. You have to be consistent. Daily basis you have to work, either content creation, blog creation, freelancing, and you have, first of all, you have to be consistent, and secondly, whatever the work you are doing, you should have interest in that. If you have interest in that, believe you can earn very much from the online earning. So friend, thank you, thanks a lot for watching the video. I hope you like this video. If like, please share it with your friends and colleagues, and thanks for watching the video, friend. Thank you.